Today, our group will introduce you the Mexican-American War. After the War of Independence, the United States took the Western expansion as a national policy. In particular, the group of the South East mastered, more as a territory expansion of the vanguard. After 1820s, the United States speed up further westward expansion attack and to create a manifest destiny of the expansion theory, declare that the fate of our days for the right is extended to the whole mainland. May 13, 1846, the United States declared war to Mexico. The Mexican-American War broke out. The war can be divided into two phases. First, 1846 to February 1847. At the end of the first stage of the war, the United States has captured large tracts of. Second, February 1847 to 1848. The war entered its second phase. The United States started looking for a shortest road to take the capital Mexico City. On 11 November 1847, Jopen was elected interim president of Mexico. In January 1848, the two sides began peace talks. February 2, 1848, the two sides signed the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo. Mexico ceded the accounting for half of the country, more than 1.9 million square kilometers of territory, included California, Nevada, Texas, New Mexico, and other states. The United States paid $18.25 million. June 12, 1848, the United military withdrew from Mexico City, and it's the end of the war. The United States, through this not great war, won 2.3 million square kilometers of land, became the transatlantic and the Pacific power. Mexico lost half of the land. Since then, the United States was the dominant position in the Americas.